Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my Planner Babe Food Log Happy Planner. And I'm going to be using, this is for Antonia Bell. Hey girl. She asked me to use the Planner Babe stickers in this planner. And I'm also going to be using some of the Fun Florals flowers. So I've changed things up, and I'm going to be using my wellness planner in 2020. So I'm not going to be using, I don't think I'm going to be using this planner as a food log. I'm not sure. I may still continue to do it, but if I don't, then I won't be doing any plan with me's in this layout, because I don't like doing plan with me's if I'm not actually using the planner. So that's why you don't see me do a whole lot of extra videos like for miscellaneous, I don't know, like some people do the sheets where they do trackers and things like that. I don't do videos like that because I don't use those things. So if you guys want me to continue something, or if you have an idea for me to do, then of course I'll do a plan with me, or I'll do a video on that. But as far as me just coming up with things to make videos on, I'm not there yet. So if I'm not actually using it, I'm not going to do a video. So we'll see if I decide to keep going with the food log. But as far as this spread goes, this is not going to be a food log spread. I'm just going to do this just to kind of help get Antonia started in her Planner Babe planner. So I'm just going to kind of do this one as a general everyday catch-all planner. So I did pre-choose all of these stickers. Sorry, I kind of flew that by you. And I'm going to use these flowers out of the Fun Floral sticker book. So the first thing I want to do over here is just put a shopping list sticker on this side, because if I was using this as a everyday catch-all, I would definitely want a place to put my grocery list. It's kind of like I do in my homebody planner. So I thought this shopping list sticker was cute, and then I can put all of my groceries here, and then I would probably put my total down at the bottom. Alright, and then I thought I would just start with this vertical box that says top 3, and I'm just going to put it in the middle on Tuesday. So like I said, I'm not gonna excuse me, I'm not going to use this spread at all because I have not been writing down my food. It's the holidays and I just got too much going on. So I am going to change the top 3 to priority by using this little banner here. So I thought this would be kind of cute if I can figure out where to place it. So yeah, that's cute there. So now it just says priority 1, 2, 3. I did find this little do all the things sticker, and we're just going to put it up here on Monday, and then I may come back with some icons and just make like a bullet list, so that I could actually list like to-do items and things on this top one for Monday. So that's really cute like that. So let's go ahead and grab some of these discs, bullet lists or bullet points. I can't remember if they're in here. There they are. So we'll just grab purple, and I'll probably just put like 3. So we'll do purple, and then this little corally pink color, and maybe this little mint green color. Nope, because that's there. So let's pick a different color. We'll pick this teal if I can get it off the page. So yeah, and all my disc hearts, they're all different directions, but that's okay. So I would have a checklist here and a priority list here. And then I thought it would be kind of cute to come in with this little quote that says, "Just living my best planner life." And I'm not sure if I need to use my jelly roll or not. Let's see. Let me just put it down and see what it looks like down here. Yeah, I don't think I need to white anything out. So that's cute there. And then I thought that I could just come in to this bottom corner on Monday and put this pretty flower down here to kind of go with my quote. But I will need to use my jelly roll to get rid of some of these lines. So let's just start trying to get rid of some of them. This pen is not very good. This is a Pentel Milky Pop, and it's not a very good whiteout jelly roll. So I'm going to go back to my regular jelly roll. And I'm not sure exactly what all I need to white out here. I'm just going to start. It's a pretty big flower, so we'll see. So I hope you all had a great Christmas. This is the week of New Year's, so I'm actually very excited for a new year. I don't think I've ever really been excited about starting a new year, but now that I have the Happy Planner, I am actually goal setting, and I'm just looking forward to a fresh start. So this week and probably next week, while we're out of homeschool on Christmas break, I think I'm going to declutter and do some serious spring cleaning in the winter time. That way I can really get a fresh start. I used to do the Fly Lady cleaning system, and then I just kind of got off of that. So I'd love to start like cleaning routines again, and just, you know, stay on top of the cleaning and everything here in this house. So with 6 people and 2 dogs, things get messy. And like, I cleaned my bathroom the other day. I got on my hands and knees and scrubbed the baseboards, and just there was dog hair everywhere, and, you know, just dust. And so I'd love to just get on a good cleaning schedule where all the deep cleaning stuff gets done kind of routinely instead of twice a year whenever I see how gross it really is and I decide to clean it. So we'll see. I got lots of plans for 2020. We'll see if everything kind of pans out, if I can stick to it and get things done. Do y'all have any big goals for 2020? Y'all let me know in the comments. What are your plans? Are you excited about a new year, or is it just like, another year? So I don't think I've ever really been excited about a new year until now. But that is probably because the Happy Planner it has changed my life, y'all. I feel so organized and just ready to go. So I think this turned out really cute with this flower down here at the bottom. I did go a little bit too far up with my whiteout, but that's all right. So let's go to the other side here. And January 2nd is my middle son's 16th birthday. So I am going to put some birthday stickers up there for him. So all of these birthday and celebrate stickers did come in the Planner Babe sticker books. So let's see. I'm going to just kind of fill up this box on Wednesday, this top box with birthday stuff. If I can get my stickers off the wax paper here. Oh my goodness. This is what happens when you pre-plan like 3 or 4 days ahead of time. My stickers don't want to come off the wax paper. So I'm going to put this little cake right on top of that birthday box. And then I have this celebrate sticker. So my 19-year-old son, as soon as he turned 15, he was ready to hit the road and start driving. But my middle son, he will be 16 and still has no interest in getting a license. Do y'all have kids like that? Because like when I was younger, I remember when I turned 15, I was so mad because my mom couldn't find my birth certificate. And I was born in Indiana and we're in South Carolina, so we had to order my birth certificate, and I felt like it took forever because I was ready to hit the road too. But Bryson is my middle child, and he just has no desire to drive. So I guess that's okay, because I hadn't had to buy him a vehicle yet. And my oldest son, he's already been through 2. He hasn't wrecked them or anything. We just kind of upgraded. So, alright, so I have the birthday decorated there. And then I just grabbed another colorful vertical box out of the Planner Babe line. And I think I'm just going to put this one down on Thursday in the middle. Oops. And then I'm also going to cover up this So Many Plans, kind of like I did on the other side there, with this Check It Off banner, just so that they both look cohesive. So, okay, yeah, that's really cute. I like the black headers on top there. And then I'm going to put this Do All the Things on Saturday, just so we are cohesive with the other side over there. Okay, that might be a little crooked, but then I found this Hooray for the Weekend banner, and I think I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to kind of overlap this box and just kind of make it off center there. I think that's cute. And I'm just going to put this flower down at the bottom the same way I did the other side. Let's figure out how I want to put this. So I'm going to need to use my jelly roll again and start right about there, and then wind up about there. Alright, so I'm just going to fast forward through this part. Okay, let's see. Just kind of put this right about here. I don't think my jelly roll was quite dry, but that's okay. Alright, and then I'm going to cut off the tiny little edges there. And I need to come back in with some icons on Saturday, like I did on the other side for my Do All the Things. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I think I'm going to use different colors over here. I want to start with this mint green. Put one here. Then we'll use this darker purple. It's almost like a, I don't know, like a mauve color, kind of pinkish purplish. Put that one, and then one more. I don't want to do yellow, don't want to do green. Let's use pink. We'll use this light pink. Okay, and I think that's going to do it for this spread. So I don't know what this is. This was already on here when I got the planner, so I have no idea what that is, but let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. And Antonia, I hope this helped you out. I hope you love your Planner Babe planner and all your new stickers. So any of you that are new to the Happy Planner and all the stickers and things, I know it can get kind of overwhelming. Been there, done that. So this is what it looks like, and I think I'm just going to call this done. So if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any of the notifications whenever I upload. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.